Hello everyone, I am finally here with my long promised video about creating cover for my art journal. For those of you who are here on my channel for the first time, I am Silas and I'm posting videos about art journal pages, mixed media projects and acrylic paintings. So if you are interested, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And now let's get into this project. As you can see, I just cut out the front and back cover from my art journal so I could decorate it, and I will assemble it back together later. I cut out some rectangles from basic cardstock and some pattern paper to start building up my layers. I am using all-purpose glue to stick it onto the covers. And then I applied 2 layers of gesso to prepare the whole surface of the cover. After this I realized that I wanted to add more texture, so I'm using modeling paste and some of my favorite stencils. And I also glued some pieces of old fabric into both front and back cover to add even more texture. And here you can see that I basically dug out all the little trinkets I could possibly find, and now I am starting to build interesting texture on my cover. To glue all of them I am using just hot glue gun. And now I am adding some alphabet stickers to spell my title, art journal. To prepare everything for my paints, I applied layer of gesso over every little element on my cover. This step is really necessary, otherwise the paint won't stick to it. Paint my cover, I am using my homemade spray acrylic paints. I just added a little bit of my favorite paint into the spray bottle, mixed it well with water, and it's done. And I started to build colors. Quite slowly, I dried it with heat gun between every layer until I was happy with color saturation. I think that in total I made about 3 or 4 layers. And here you can see how the both front and back cover turned out. And now let's get into completing journal back together. And for my spine, which you can see now, I just used piece of cardstock. I measured the width of my spine, and on both sides I left some excess paper so I would be able to glue my spine to front and back cover. And to decorate it, I used the same method as for the covers. I added texture with modeling paste and color it using same spray paints. And before I finally insert the actual pages, I also added piece of gold ribbon. And then I finally glued down the whole journal. As you can see, I first started with the back, which I glued straight to my cover. Then I left the spine free and I only attached the front cover. For that I helped myself with piece of masking tape, and then I cleaned the front page with white piece of paper. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I really hoped you liked this, and if you did, please give me thumbs up and also subscribe for my channel so you won't miss my next video. And also let me know what you think in the comment section. I would love to hear your opinion. And by the way, list of all supplies will be as always in the description. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye!